I bet you didn't know that ancient wisdom can transform your life forever. Imagine discovering a divine truth so powerful that it changes everything. A truth that has been hidden in plain sight, waiting for someone to uncover its mysteries and harness its potential. This is not just any truth. It is an ancient wisdom that has stood the test of time, transcending generations and civilizations. It is a key that can unlock doors to success, happiness, and fulfillment in ways you never thought possible. Welcome to that moment, the moment where the past meets the present and ancient knowledge merges with modern aspirations. As the sun rises over the mountains, casting its golden glow over the city, it symbolizes a new beginning, a fresh start. This is your opportunity to tap into the timeless wisdom that has guided humanity through the ages, as written in Ecclesiastes. What has been will be again. What has been done will be done again. There is nothing new under the sun. Picture an ancient fig tree standing tall against the sunrise. Its roots run deep into the earth, anchoring it firmly, while its branches reach out towards the sky, embracing the light. This tree is not just a plant. It is a living testament to resilience, growth, and the passage of time. It has witnessed countless sunrises and sunsets, standing as a silent guardian of secrets long forgotten, much like the fig tree in Luke. It's a symbol of time, growth, and hidden lessons. Each leaf, each branch, tells a story of survival, adaptation, and wisdom. The sunlight filtering through its branches creates a dance of light and shadow, a metaphor for the balance we seek in our own lives. This tree, in its quiet majesty, holds the answers to questions we have yet to ask, echoing the wisdom of Proverbs. She is a tree of life to those who take hold of her. Those who hold her fast will be blessed. But what if I told you that within its branches lies a warning, a cautionary tale that has been overlooked, ignored, or misunderstood? The ominous lighting and the dark sky serve as a reminder that not all is as it seems. The fig tree, with its duality of light and shadow, teaches us that wisdom comes with responsibility, and that every lesson has its price, as Jesus taught in Matthew when he cursed the barren fig tree. A warning we've all missed. In our quest for success and achievement, we often overlook the subtle signs and messages that nature provides. We become so focused on the destination that we forget to pay attention to the journey. The puzzled look on the person's face reflects our own confusion and uncertainty as we navigate the complexities of life, much like the disciples in Mark. From thriving to withered, the fig tree's transformation is a powerful reminder. It shows us that nothing is permanent and that change is an inevitable part of life. The tree's journey through the seasons, from lush and green to barren and withered, mirrors our own cycles of growth, decline, and renewal. It is a testament to the resilience of life and the enduring power of nature. As reflected in Ecclesiastes, there is a time for everything and a season for every activity under the heavens. It's a metaphor for our own lives, our struggles, and our triumphs. Just as the tree endures the harshest of winters and emerges stronger in the spring, we too can overcome our challenges and rise above our circumstances. The triumphant person standing on the cliff symbolizes the victory that comes from perseverance and determination. It is a reminder that every obstacle is an opportunity for growth. As stated in James, "Blessed is the one who perseveres under trial, because having stood the test, that person will receive the crown of life that the Lord has promised to those who love him." Look around, ancient marketplaces to modern business districts. Everyone's racing against time. The hustle and bustle of daily life, whether in ancient times or the modern era, reflects our constant pursuit of success and achievement. The marketplace, with its vibrant energy and diverse activities, is a microcosm of human ambition and enterprise. It is a place where dreams are born, deals are made, and fortunes are won and lost, much like the parable of the talents in Matthew. Productivity graphs, spinning clocks, they all tell the same story. We are all bound by the constraints of time, constantly measuring our progress and striving to maximize our efficiency. The spinning clock is a symbol of the relentless march of time, reminding us that every moment is precious and that we must make the most of it. The productivity graph, with its peaks and valleys, reflects the ebb and flow of our efforts and achievements. As taught in Psalm, teach us to number our days that we may gain a heart of wisdom. We're all chasing success. But here's the revelation. Success is not just about hard work and determination. It is also about understanding the deeper principles that govern our lives and the world around us. The intense focus of people working in an office and the crowded city street are manifestations of our collective drive to achieve our goals. But true success requires more than just effort. It requires wisdom, balance, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and our environment. As Proverbs advises, commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. Hidden in the leaves of the fig tree are 3 lessons. These lessons are not just abstract concepts. They are practical principles that can be applied to our daily lives. The close-up of the fig tree leaves and the hands holding them symbolize the act of discovery and the willingness to learn. These lessons have been passed down through generations, waiting for someone to uncover their true meaning and potential, much like the wisdom found in Proverbs. Lessons that have shaped the greatest minds in history. From philosophers and scholars to leaders and visionaries, these lessons have been the foundation of their success. The portraits of historical figures and the ancient scrolls and manuscripts are a testament to the enduring power of wisdom and knowledge. They remind us that the answers we seek have been known for centuries, and that we can learn from the experiences of those who came before us, as stated in Romans. For everything that was written in the past was written to teach us, so that through the endurance taught in the Scriptures and the encouragement they provide, we might have hope. Lessons that can transform your future. The light bursting through the tree branches symbolizes the illumination that comes from understanding and applying these lessons. It is a moment of inspiration and clarity, where the path forward becomes clear. The person looking inspired represents the potential within each of us to achieve greatness and make a positive impact on the world. As Jesus said in Matthew, "You are the light of the world." A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Light breaks through the branches, revealing these secrets. First, patience. Patience is the foundation of all growth and success. Just as the tree grows slowly, so do our dreams. The light beams breaking through the tree branches and the serene morning light in the forest symbolize the gradual and steady progress that comes from patience. It is a reminder that great things take time and that we must be willing to wait and nurture our dreams, as Galatians encourages. Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Just as the tree grows slowly, so do our dreams. Second, resilience. Resilience is the ability to withstand adversity and bounce back from setbacks. The tree growing slowly over time and the person planting a tree symbolize the long-term commitment and effort required to achieve our goals. It is a reminder that success is not a sprint, but a marathon, and that we must be prepared to face challenges and persevere through difficult times. As James teaches, consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. Let perseverance finish its work so that you may be mature and complete, not lacking anything. The tree withstands storms. You too can weather life's challenges. Third, balance. Balance is the key to a fulfilling and harmonious life. The tree standing strong in a storm and the person braving a storm symbolize the strength and resilience required to face life's challenges. It is a reminder that we must find a balance between work and rest, effort and relaxation, and ambition and contentment, as Ecclesiastes reminds us of the balance in life. Just as the tree needs both sunlight and shade, you need to find harmony in work and rest. The fig tree, half in sunlight and half in shade, and the person meditating in nature symbolize the importance of balance and harmony in our lives. It is a reminder that we must take care of our physical, mental, and emotional well-being to achieve true success and fulfillment. As Jesus said in Matthew, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." Modern success is rooted in ancient wisdom. The modern cityscape with historical landmarks and the businessman looking reflective in a park symbolize the connection between the past and the present. It is a reminder that the principles of success have not changed, and that we can learn from the wisdom of the past to achieve our goals in the present. As Proverbs states, "The beginning of wisdom is this: get wisdom. Though it cost all you have, get understanding." Businessmen, students, entrepreneurs, they all draw strength from these hidden lessons. The diverse group of professionals working together and the students studying outdoors symbolize the universal applicability of these lessons. It is a reminder that no matter who we are or what we do, we can all benefit from the wisdom of the fig tree. As Proverbs says, As iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. Your next chapter begins now. Embrace the wisdom. Transform your life. The person opening a book and the person stepping into the sunlight symbolize the beginning of a new journey and the potential for transformation. It is a reminder that we have the power to change our lives and achieve our dreams by embracing the wisdom of the past and applying it to our present. As Romans encourages, do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Remember, the ancient secret to modern success is right in front of you. The ancient artifacts next to modern technology and the person uncovering a hidden object symbolize the connection between the past and the present. It is a reminder that the answers we seek are often hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to discover and apply them. As Proverbs states, it is the glory of God to conceal a matter. To search out a matter is the glory of kings. All you need to do is look closer. The close-up of an eye-opening and the person examining something closely symbolize the act of discovery and the willingness to learn. It is a reminder that the key to success is not just hard work and determination, but also curiosity, openness, and a willingness to see the world in a new light. As Matthew encourages, ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you. This presentation is brought to you by Christ Bearer Ministries. Embrace the wisdom, transform your life, and unlock your true potential. Subscribe to Christ Bearer Ministries YouTube channel for weekly theological content. Click the subscribe button now and join our community.